Guys, today we're going to be drawing that mountain with like clouds, flowers and a pathway. Yeah, so first we're just going to draw a line. It doesn't have to be straight, just make it your best line that you can possibly do. And yeah, we're just drawing some mountains today because I felt like it. And yeah, says the straight line, ignore those two mountainy looking things. I drew that on the other side of the paper by accident. I messed up. But next we're just going to draw the first mountain. Simple enough. Just draw a triangle by the end of the line. And yeah guys, subscribe. It would help me a lot. And you know, it might even help you getting better at drawing if you subscribe. Maybe if there's a lot of views, maybe I'll even do more of these videos if you really like them. But yeah, we're going to draw like some of a mountain, coming off the other mountain. Next, we're just going to draw some of the other mountain. Yeah, we're just going to draw a small mountain in the middle and a curved line that would go into a mountain and a little bit past the other mountain's line. And next we're just going to finish off doing all the mountains. But you know that lopey thingy on the right hand side, that's just going to be a hill at the end, don't worry. I just did two of them on the other side. You'll see at the end when you have the final result. And next we're just going to draw the snowy parts. You guys can pause it if I'm going too quick, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to be as loud as I can because I hope this voiceover is loud enough. But yeah, I think it is. But next we're just going to draw a pathway. You can make it straight because I like doing wiggly pathways. And next we're going to draw some flowers. Not lots of flowers at the moment. We're drawing 2 flowers, but just see how the flowers actually look. Probably make the flowers however you like it, but maybe you should guys wait until the end to see the result. Yeah, but there's like 2 flowers. And then for this one, we're just going to draw 2 flowers on the other side. One that's on the left-hand side that's just on the floor randomly. And one on the right-hand side that's on the floor randomly. I hope you guys can see it when you look at it. But yeah, seeing the result, yeah, there. So I did those 3 flowers and that one at the bottom of the right-hand side. Yeah, I hope you guys really like these videos because, yeah, but that's a plus. You don't have to do this, but I'm drawing clouds because I just felt like clouds belong up in the cold places. I don't know why it's taking me so long to draw clouds. But after the clouds, I'm going to start getting to the colouring part. Start getting colouring. Ooh, woo. So yeah, I'm just picking up a purple. I picked up lots of other colours though, but it's a surprise now. But yeah, are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom! And boom! Guys, did you like it? Hope you subscribe and see you guys next time. Bye!